Guys, show me what's inside your freezer. Show me what's inside your fridge. Because I know you want to see what's inside my fridge and freezer. Let me show you. Well, first, we've got milk and cream. Obviously, you gotta have milk and cream with things. Hello. And tomatoes, whatever. Yogurt, green onions, butter, yum, eggs, spinach. Oh, we have celery. Oh, strawberries. Cream cheese. We got mayonnaise, mustard, hot sauce, ketchup, caramel. We got some caramel, soy sauce, bottled water, some other stuff. We got some Philadelphia dip sauce, some sauerkraut, some pudding, some jam. We got some sour cream. We got some baking soda to make everything fresh. And now the freezer. We got frozen butter and frozen cups to make our delicious drinks nice and fucking cold. And then we got wieners. We got hot dog wieners and one pizza. And we got ice cubes and frozen meat and shrimp. I like shrimp and frozen cheese. And we got some more pizza there. And we got some corn. And we got some frozen beef. We got frozen everything. And that's what's inside my fridge and freezer. What's inside yours, buddy?